We propose a multi-resolution graph network, MultiResGNet, to automatically generate nonlinear deformations for new characters in arbitrary poses. Two key contributions enable us to achieve the deformation approximation. First, after the linear-based deformation, we encode the rough meshes by proposing novel vertex features. Each feature vector has three descriptors: the relative skinning features, the normal of vertex, and the distance between vertex to joints. Combine the edges and the adjacency matrix to form the mesh graph G. Next, we map graphs to refinements through the MultiResGNet. It consists of two branches. The global branch uses lower resolution graphs where we define the pulling and unpulling operations to extract the overall structural information. The local branch uses original resolution graphs to deal with the local detailed features. Finally, output features from two branches are combined together. Overall, the linear skinned mesh plus the corresponding nonlinear corrections can obtain the final deformed mesh. We use 250 poses per character for training, and there are 75 characters in the training set. Here, we first show a character performing the running motion. The linear-based deformation produces volume loss artifacts, especially in the underarm area. Through our approximation, the deformation can be refined and approached to the ground truth. Then, we also show the result of a character performing the complicated dancing motion. For the linear-based deformation, large deformation errors can be seen near joints due to the initial uncorrected skinning weights. We correct the errors by predicting nonlinear offsets. The generated effects can meet the production needs. Now, we conduct the comparison experiment to evaluate the generalization of our method. We can mimic the desired behavior without obvious errors from the ground truth. We compare ours with other methods, different network structures, and different number of training samples. In contrast, our method enables easier generalization to new characters with new poses. Then, we further show the generalization to SMPL bodies. Comparing with densities, our result has more natural deformations in the areas of base of the thigh and underarm.